Today, I'm going to test the efficiency of a scalping trading strategy that uses the Heikin Ashi candles chart, which is something that many of you have asked me to do. I will show you everything you need to know about the Heikin Ashi candles and all the real and proven results of a backtest, not only with 100 positions, but with over 2000 trades. So stay tuned if you want to discover its true efficiency. Let's go! Unlike traditional candlestick charts, which use the open, high, low and close of each time period to create a candlestick, Heikin Ashi candles use a modified method that takes into account the previous candle's close and the current candle's open. Here are some key features of Heikin Ashi candles that you need to know. They smooth out price movements and can help you to identify trends. Because of the way each Heikin Ashi candle is calculated, they tend to smooth out price movements and can be helpful in identifying trends. They can signal potential price reversals. For example, if you see a series of green candles with long lower shadows followed by a single red candle with a long upper shadow, it could indicate that the uptrend is losing momentum and that the reversal could be coming. And they can be used in combination with other indicators. To create a Heikin Ashi chart, you can use a software program that allows you to choose Heikin Ashi candles as a chart type, like TradingView. By the way, if you want to get $30 free to use on TradingView, use the link that is in the description to create your account. You can thank me later. Once you have selected the Heikin Ashi chart type, you will be able to see the smoothed out candle patterns and use them to identify trends and potential price reversals. To evaluate the efficiency of this type of candle, I will use one of the best indicators that we have already tested here on the channel, the SuperTrend indicator with the default settings. For the risk management of the strategy, I will use the ATR indicator. So, for a valid long signal, the SuperTrend needs to give a buy signal, which is when the indicator line turns green, and the entry point is considered after the closure of the signal Heikin Ashi candle. And for a valid short signal, the SuperTrend needs to give a sell signal, which is when the indicator line turns red, and the entry point is, again, considered after the closure of the signal Heikin Ashi candle. For every stop loss, I will use the value of 2 times the ATR pip value, and I will use for the take profit a risk reward of 1 to 1. I know it's a very basic strategy, but in today's video I just want to test the efficiency of the Heikin Ashi candles and not the indicator strategy itself. For a quicker backtest, I will apply my backtesting bot with this strategy, which can backtest thousands of trades in a few seconds on the 5-minute time frame on 8 popular forex pairs using the data sample of the last 3 months and using a 2% risk per trade. Let's backtest it. After analyzing over 2,500 trades in the sample mentioned earlier with my backtesting bot, here we have all the results. The overall win rate of this strategy was about 57.83% and it produced an incredible profit of almost 1000%. This gives us an average profit per month of over 300%, just with an average max drawdown of 6.65%. But wait a moment, I'm finding these results too optimistic. The problem is not in my backtesting bot, because if I do the same backtest manually, the outcome of the trades is exactly the same. If you are thinking,
could it be that the problem is in the Heikin Ashi candles?
You are 100% correct. The problem here is that the price used to place positions is not the actual price. It's the Heikin Ashi value, which is, in many trades, very different from the real price, which you can see on the usual candlestick chart. In this screenshot, you are able to see that the entry point values, although they may seem the same, they are not, and, as such, the results become completely unrealistic. but we can verify that although the Heikin Ashi candles cannot be used as entry points, at least on a backtest, they are quite efficient to tell us the overall trend present in the markets. So, the next time you use Heikin Ashi candles, keep in mind this aspect that makes all the difference in your results. And from now on, you already know that when you see incredible results with the use of Heikin Ashi candles in other YouTube videos, those results will be 99% of the time false. I hope I managed to teach you something during this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like, so you don't miss any of my content, which is unique here on YouTube. If you want to test the SuperTrend indicator on the normal candlestick chart, you can access my backtesting bot with that script and perform your backtests with thousands of trades with the most real and proven results possible, and in a matter of seconds. If you want to know how, check the links that are in the description. I look forward to receiving your feedback. You can do it through the comments here on YouTube or through the public Discord group. I will be waiting. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like it to support me in bringing more content to you. Be well, thank you, bye bye.